So hi, I'm Rory Hunter. I'm the Estates, Facilities and Projects Director for Ironbridge Gorge Museum Trust, and I'm here to tell you a little bit today about the conservation project on the Museum of the Gorge. So the Museum of the Gorge is a warehouse building built by the Coalbrookdale Company around 1840 to plans by Samuel Cookson. Goods would be transported here from around the gorge, mainly from Coalbrookdale, and held here to be taken out on the Severn. So the museum has needed, for quite some time, some conservation work carrying out, mainly on the roof. And there's also a number of things that we'd like, in terms of presentation, to carry out during these conservation works. Removing lots of plants that have self-set into the fabric of the roof, which will help to aid the long-term conservation of the structure as well. The project really is in three phases. The main parts of this phase are to reinstate the current flat roof to the Lady Chapel and to replace a really tired supporting beam that enters into one of the valleys. Phase 2 really is a replacement of much of the roof and repair all the guttering. It will also look after a lot of the brickwork which has been damaged over time, and the pointing around the museum to make the museum really watertight again, and also look after it and preserve it for the future. In phase 3 we will look to take the museum, which will then be of sound construction and had a number of conservation pieces of work carried out on it, and turn the museum into a visitor centre for the World Heritage Site, drawing people in to be able to understand everything that this area has to offer. Independent cafes, transport routes, best ways to get around, and of course everything the museum has to offer around the whole World Heritage Site.